Dah. Dah ke belum? Mana live lagi?
Ada.
Okay, dah. Start lah.
Boleh start ni? Malu lah. Hello everyone, welcome to start.
Kau nak fikir apa?
Nanti nak
Apa
start.
kau memang baik bagi kau
Okay.
je.
Okay.
Sudah dah situ.
Dia kena buat macam tu lah. Kalau tak nampak. Sini tak ada gambar dah.
Start.
Ui, asal kena berdebar. Wait.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live discussion where we will discuss about one of the network issue, which is quality of service. What is QoS in networking? QoS is a quality of service that's measure of the overall performance such as telephones, computer networks, and cloud computing service. QoS is use of technologies that works on a network to control traffic and ensure the best performance. Next, we will talk about how does QoS work. To explain this important aspect of networking, I would like to pose a question to our first panel. Please welcome.
Please go. Lepas tu kita pass laptop.
Dahlia.
Alah, aku malu lah. Abang Rahim. Kan? Okay, lepas tu kita macam nak pass ayat tu, kena cakap lah thank you to the moderator. Macam tu. Forum kan? Yes. Okay. Macam mana? Okay, thank you to moderator. To continue this forum. Forum ke kau cakap tadi? Discussion. To
Discussion.
continue this
Like
discussion, I love to start with how does quality of service works. Firstly, we start with the bandwidth. The bandwidth is a speed of the link, and QoS can tell the router how to use the bandwidth. For example, assigning a certain amount of the bandwidth to a different queue for a different traffic types. And secondly, QoS work with the delay. QoS reduce queuing delay by creating a priority queue for a certain type of the traffic. And next, we continue with the loss, the amount of data loss as a result of the packet loss, which is typical occur due to the network congestion. QoS enable organization to decide which packet to drop in the events. And then lastly, for the jitter, congestion cause packet to arrive late and out of sequence and causing distortion. Betul ke distortion? Distortion. Okay, I think that's all. Distortion. Okay, I think that's all from me then. Thank you. That's all from me. Okay, number 10.
Thank you to our first panel for explaining the words of QoS. It's fascinating to see how it's worked. Next, panel 2, could you please tell us why is QoS important? Please welcome.
Okay, tapi yang kita panel kena ubah.
Thank you, Nadia. So next, I will explain about why is QoS is important. First, to guarantee the high performance of critical applications that require high bandwidth for real-time traffic. Second, to help business prevent the delay of this sensitive application, ensuring they perform to the level that user requires. QoS is increasingly important as network performance requirements adapt to the growing number of people using them. So that's all from me.
Wow, thank you, Panel 2. For the explanation, it's helped us to get better understanding on it. So let's move on to our next discussion on technique and the best practice are involved in QoS. Please welcome next panel.
Hello and good morning, and thank you for my moderator. Now I'm going to talking about technique QoS. QoS is not a single technology by itself. Instead, it is a set of technology collaboration together. There are several techniques that you can use to calculate the high performance of your most critical application. Firstly, you can prioritize delay sensitive white traffic via rotate and switch. And second, you can reserve SVP protocol. And thirdly, you can create queuing policy which rotate and switch. And lastly, you can mark the traffic using class of service COS at layer 2 header and different service code point DSCP at layer. And that's all for me.
Thank you so much for the comprehensive explanation. Lastly, I would like to ask our last panel for the advantage of QoS. Please welcome.
As moderator, I will continue with QoS advantages. The deployment of QoS is crucial for the businesses that want to ensure the availability of their business critical application. It is vital for delivering differentiated bandwidth and ensuring data transmission take place without interrupting traffic flow or causing packet losses. Major advantages of deploying QoS are unlimited application prioritization, better resource management, enhanced user experience, point-to-point traffic management, packet loss prevention, and the last one is latency reduction. That's all for me. Thank you.
Mm. Thank you so much for providing us with a clear understanding of positive impact of QoS. Lastly, for the conclusion of our discussion, QoS enable organization to ensure smooth and consistent delivery between these points. QoS is a crucial for organization that want to guarantee the best performance of their application and prevent of data loss and latency, ensure the high bandwidth solution. Thank you. That's all from us.